Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to purchase the perfect WordPress theme from ThemeForest, so you can give your website a stunning, professional look in 2026 and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to confidently buy and activate a premium theme, making your WordPress site stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your WordPress dashboard. You'll usually find this at your website, com/wp-admin. Once you're logged in, look along the left-hand menu for the section that says Appearance. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where you manage everything about how your site looks. Think of it as your website's wardrobe. Themes are like outfits, and you're about to pick out the perfect one. Next up, you'll see Themes right under Appearance. Click on that, and you'll land on a page that shows you all the themes you currently have installed. Right now, it might look a little plain, but that's about to change. Look towards the top and find the Add Theme button. Click it, and now you get access to a world of fresh new looks for your website. Now, one of the biggest questions is, how do you find a theme that's truly premium, both in quality and style? That's where the Filter tab comes in handy. Find the filter options and set them to premium. This helps you cut through all the free or basic themes and gets you straight to the high-quality, professional designs from ThemeForest and other top creators. Premium themes usually come packed with extra features, better support, and unique designs that can really help your brand stand out, just like a custom-tailored suit compared to something off the rack. Take your time here and browse through the options. Don't rush this step. It's worth spending a few extra minutes previewing a couple of themes, maybe even jotting down the names of ones that catch your eye. Think about what your site needs. Is it an online store, a portfolio, a blog? Choose something that fits your style and your goals. Once you've found a theme you like, you'll see an option to activate or in some cases buy theme. Click that button. This is an important point. Activating at this stage often means start the purchase process. So don't worry if you don't see your new look right away. You're about to go through the checkout. You'll be redirected to the checkout page, and here, where you'll finalize the purchase, you'll see different license or subscription options, monthly, yearly, 2-year, and 3-year plans. It might feel overwhelming, but the decision really comes down to how long you plan to use your website with this theme. If you're in it for the long haul, a longer plan often saves you money in the end. For a quick project, maybe a monthly subscription makes sense. Pick the one that fits your goals and budget best. Scroll down a bit to find the section where you enter your payment information. This is totally normal, but make sure the payment method you choose is secure and one you're comfortable with: credit card, PayPal, or whatever is offered. Once your details are entered, review everything one more time. It's always a good idea to double-check your choices here. When you're ready, click on that final Pay Now button, and boom, you've officially purchased your new premium WordPress theme. Give it a moment for your new theme to activate. From here, you can start customizing the look and feel of your site, confident that you've chosen a professional design that's perfect for your needs. If you run into any hiccups, remember, most premium themes come with support to help you out. And that's it. Now your WordPress website is on its way to looking amazing. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like. If you have any questions or run into any trouble along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress tutorials just like this one. Happy website building, and I'll see you in the next video.